so good in this, bro. Put this on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna ignore what just happened. Today's another unboxing video. Never mind. Wait. Never mind, I can't get that. Okay, today's gonna be another unboxing video. We are gonna be unboxing this. Not just one. Not just two. Well, two. Yes, two. So first we have the Spider-Man. The Spider-Man from Spider-Man No Way Home. Yeah. Next we have Red Hulk from I don't know. Yeah, there it is. He's holding a snowman. And at the end of the video, we are going to be taste testing cakes. I don't know what they're called. So yes, at the end of the video, we're going to be taste tasting. Okay, so first we gotta open this. So I know the perfect tool to open this with. Screwdriver. Working so well. Magic. It's going in fully. Magic is not even. I just put it through the other side. Yeah, well, I can just, there we go. We're just going to be open this carefully, because if you know me, I don't really open stuff carefully. Why do you show that? Why did you have to do that? Editor me, why did you have to do that? Okay, got these things up. Now we have Bubbles. He's right here. Looks pretty sick. I just cracked his neck in half. There. He's okay, so yeah. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna just leave him over here. Wait. Yeah, like he's just gonna be right here. Over there. Okay, next I'm opening Hulk, Red Hulk. Open. Oh, there we go. How do I get this? Okay, I got it. How do I get this one out, bro? What? Look at this. Oh, there. This is sick. Okay. Oh, he got fire on his arms. Like, really, that's sick. He's really angry, so he got the snowman. Sad snowman tech. So this is the front. Look at his pants. Big eye, big hairline. Bro, look at his hair. He's just a cool kid in school. Okay, now we have the back. We got like more fire in the back, yeah. The pants are ripped. And then his hair doesn't look that good in the back, but yeah. Was it sick too? Like the detail on the snowman, it's like dripping. Oh wait, there's also fire on the bottom of his hand. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so smart. The snowman's melting because he has fire on his arms and hands. Ooh, I'm so smart like that. Yeah. So, yeah, there. That's him. I'm gonna put him over there. Here. No, they're just gonna be down here. But now, I don't know what they're called, but I'll show a picture of the package down on their faces. Yeah, get that off their faces. Get there. So I haven't had these yet. Yeah. So 3. I'm gonna have to taste it right now. 3, 2, 1. That's good. That's pretty good. I'm gonna rate it 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Pretty good. Okay. Okay. So that's the end of the video. So bye. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Bye. I forgot to mention, I just hit 200 subs, so thank you guys so much.